Imagine a world without bees. No sweet honey, no vibrant flowers, no juicy fruits. It's a bleak picture, isn't it? But fear not, because these tiny creatures are working tirelessly to keep our planet buzzing with life. Let us dive into the fascinating world of bees and discover why they are so much more than just honeymakers. Bees are truly the unsung heroes of our ecosystem. These small but mighty insects are some of the hardest workers you'll ever encounter. From dawn to dusk, they're on a constant mission, pollinating plants and producing honey. But their impact goes far beyond what meets the eye. When it comes to pollination, bees are nature's ultimate matchmakers. As they flit from flower to flower in search of nectar, they inadvertently transfer pollen, allowing plants to reproduce. This seemingly simple act is crucial for the survival of countless plant species, including many of the fruits and vegetables we rely on for food. Without bees, our dinner plates would look drastically different, and our world would be a lot less colorful. But bees don't stop at pollination. They're also responsible for producing one of nature's most delicious and beneficial substances, honey. This golden elixir isn't just a tasty treat. It's packed with antioxidants and has natural antibacterial properties. From soothing sore throats to healing wounds, honey has been used for centuries as a natural remedy, and we have our buzzing friends to thank for every sweet, sticky drop. Now, you might think all bees are the same, but you'd be surprised at the diversity within the bee world. There are over 20,000 known species of bees, each with its own unique characteristics and roles in the ecosystem. From the familiar honeybees and bumblebees to lesser-known species like carpenter bees and sweat bees, the variety is truly astounding. Some bees are social, living in large colonies with complex hierarchies, while others are solitary, preferring to go it alone. Some are generalists, happy to visit any flower they come across, while others are specialists, evolved to pollinate specific plant species. This diversity ensures that bees can thrive in a wide range of environments and play crucial roles in various ecosystems around the world. Speaking of environments, bees have adapted to live in an incredible array of habitats. From lush tropical rainforests to arid deserts, from urban gardens to remote mountain meadows, you'll find bees buzzing about almost everywhere. Each environment presents its own challenges, but bees have evolved remarkable strategies to survive and thrive. In forests, you might find bees nesting in hollow trees or underground. In grasslands, they might construct elaborate underground tunnels. Some bees even make their homes in abandoned snail shells or hollow plant stems. The ingenuity of bees in creating suitable living spaces is truly remarkable. But regardless of where they live, all bees go through a similar life cycle. It all begins with an egg, laid by the queen bee in social species or by a solitary female in other species. From there, the egg hatches into a larva, which is fed by adult bees in social colonies or by food stores left by the mother in solitary species. The larva then enters the pupa stage, where it undergoes a dramatic transformation. Inside its cocoon, the pupa develops into an adult bee, complete with wings, legs, and all the necessary organs for its adult life. When the transformation is complete, the adult bee emerges, ready to take on its role in the colony or start its solitary life. For social bees like honeybees, this cycle continues year-round, with new bees constantly being born to replace older ones. The queen can lay up to 2,000 eggs per day, ensuring the colony always has a fresh workforce. It's a never-ending cycle of birth, work, and renewal that keeps the hive buzzing with activity. Now, while most bees are harmless and even beneficial to humans, it's worth noting that there are some species you might want to be wary of. The infamous killer bees, or Africanized honeybees, are known for their aggressive behavior and tendency to attack in large numbers when they feel their hive is threatened. These bees, a hybrid of African and European honeybees, were accidentally released in Brazil in the 1950s, and have since spread across much of South and Central America, as well as parts of the southern United States. While their honey production and pollination abilities are similar to other honeybees, their defensive behavior makes them a concern for human safety in areas where they've become established. Another bee species that can pose a danger to humans is the Asian giant hornet, sometimes called the murder hornet. While not technically a bee, hornets are a type of wasp. These large insects have been known to attack honeybee colonies, decimating entire hives in a matter of hours. They also have a painful sting that can be dangerous to humans, especially in cases of multiple stings. But it's important to remember that these dangerous species are the exception, not the rule. The vast majority of bees are peaceful creatures that will only sting as a last resort in self-defense. In fact, many species of bees don't have stingers at all. For most bees, their primary focus is on their colony and their work. Social bees, like honeybees and bumblebees, live in large groups with a complex social structure. At the heart of each colony is the queen bee, whose primary job is to lay eggs. She's surrounded by worker bees, who take on various roles within the hive, from caring for young to foraging for food. These colonies can be incredibly large, with some honeybee hives containing up to 60,000 bees. and these busy insects need a safe place to call home. That's why you'll often find bee colonies in high places, away from potential predators and disturbances. Bees are master architects, constructing intricate nests that serve as both home and workplace. Honeybees, for example, build their iconic honeycomb structures inside hollow trees, rock crevices, or man-made hives. These hexagonal wax cells are used to store honey and pollen, as well as to raise young bees. Bumblebees, on the other hand, often nest in abandoned rodent burrows or other cavities close to the ground. They line their nests with soft materials like moss or grass to create a cozy home for their colony. Some species of stingless bees, found in tropical and subtropical regions, build elaborate nests inside tree hollows. These nests can be massive, with some reaching sizes of over a meter in diameter. The ability of bees to build these complex structures high up in trees or cliffs not only protects them from many ground-dwelling predators, but also allows them to be close to food sources. After all, flowers don't typically grow on the forest floor. As we've explored the world of bees, from their crucial role in pollination to their diverse species and fascinating life cycles, it's clear that these small insects play an outsized role in our world. They're not just honey producers or occasional picnic nuisances. They're essential components of ecosystems around the globe. So the next time you see a bee buzzing by, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it's on. That tiny insect is part of a complex, industrious, and absolutely vital community that helps keep our world blooming and thriving. In the grand tapestry of nature, bees are truly the thread that holds it all together, one flower at a time.